Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. James here. Today we're doing the oil change on the 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor. So this is everything you're going to need. We have our oil, 5W30. It takes between 6 and 7 quarts, so we have the 5-quart jug here, 2 of them. We have the OE oil filter from Motorcraft. Now, important, when you pick yours up, make sure it has the 3 gaskets in here. 3 O-ring gaskets. Double check before you take it home and you realize you're missing them. Alright, I have my ratchets. 15 millimeter for the skid plate, 27 for the oil filter housing, funnel, some picks to pull out the O-rings, towels, and gloves. I'm also going to be taking an oil sample. With the oil drain plug, the plastic one, we're going to be replacing it with the Ronin Easy Drain. Alright, so we have 2 15 millimeter bolts for the skid plate. There's one here, and then there's one right here. Alright, we're just going to loosen these 2 as well. Also 15 millimeter. Alright, so we have our lovely plastic drain plug here. We have our oil pans. Hopefully we don't create too much of a mess. I've never taken one of these off, so we'll see. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna squirt everywhere. Not bad. So this is the first oil change. It's the break-in oil. It's about 600 miles on it. We're going to send it off and sample it and see how it's doing. Alright, so this is the oil filter cartridge or canister. We have a 27 millimeter. Alright, so with our OEM filter we have the 3 gaskets, 1, 2, and 3. So we got the hook tool. I'm just going to pick them out and replace them. I'm going to do it off camera because it's a 2-handed job. Alright, I'm going to take a little of the new oil and I'm going to lubricate the O-rings. So I have the 3 new O-rings on. This one's a bit of a pain. That hook tool is really going to help there. Alright, so you're supposed to get new drain plugs every time you change them. I'm sure you probably could reuse them if you're in a pinch, but it's not recommended. So we're going to actually switch to the Ronin Factory Easy Drain Pan. Drain plug. Alright, so it's inside we have what replaces this, and this is the Easy Drain tool. So there's a spring in here, and when you tighten this in, once it pushes in the spring and it allows the oil to flow. So the way this thing installs, we're going to go in and we're going to get a better view, and then we're going to rotate and push in, and then it's going to pop, and that's how you know it's in. Going to put this in the 7 o'clock position. There's a little spring clip, so this is a little hard. Alright, so it kind of went in. Now I'm going to just rotate it. Okay, so it just popped out a little bit. It's hard to see, but there's a little gap now where the spring clip is. So now that's how we know we're in. Okay, everything's tight. So this is pointing up directly. Another good feature with the Ronin is there's actually a magnet at the end. So that magnet is going to help pull and grab any shavings so they're not rotating in your motor. Alright, now we're just going to fill it up with our Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This is a very tiny funnel. There we go. Oh yeah, we're going to have to get another funnel. This one's going to be slow. Put in our last 2 quarts here. We're going to be right at 7, then we're going to check and see where we're at. Just under 600 miles. So we're just going to let it run for a bit, make sure there's no leaks before we have put the skid plate back on. Alright, so we're right at 21 psi for the oil pressure, which is good. So now we're going to go back, go down to settings, vehicle maintenance, oil life, and then we're going to reset it. And that's it. Alright, last we're going to check the dipstick. So we put right at 7 quarts and we are right in the middle of the hash. So that's good. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below, guys. I'm curious to see what mods you think we should do to the Raptor next. I heard good things about the Ford Performance Tune, maybe an intercooler, cold air intake, maybe even oil catch can. Well, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it, and see you on the next one.